Hello, this is Core. I'm coming to another video, Genshin Impact on America. We're going to be doing, I don't know what. Oh, we're doing the ice dungeon. Oh, I got sticky stuff on my fingers. Ate some ice cream. I think. Is that what that is? I hope that's what that is. Ew. We're trying out something here. Alright, we got him. Oh, shit. Shit, don't kill me, bro. Alright. I was trying to think of, like, what are we gonna do here? Oh, wow, you wrecked him. Damn near killed him. Alright, stagger lock, stagger lock, stagger lock. Alright, he did. How long did that take? That didn't feel like it took that long. Only took 20 minutes. Yeah, we were AFK in here for a little bit while we handled some stuff like eating ice cream. Somebody's birthday. Alright, here we go. And we're gonna start off on the day. I'm trying to think of why I came in this dungeon. Don't care. Just wanted to do it. Hopefully we get something good. I heard that blonde, ooh, that looks, oh damn it. That blonde chick's gonna be a water character that with the umbrella, and she's gonna be is she a water claymore user or an ice claymore user? I don't know. I'm hoping we're getting something cool. The electric gun chick looked cool as hell. I was kind of a little bummed out. I think the Lynette, the assistant cat-eared girl, I think she's gonna be air. Oh, she probably went there and we could have done some air guys. Oh, I did not want to do that. Dang it. Let's get it done. Can we get it? Do it. Hyper bloomed. Ah, stop this. Why you gotta hurt me? I did not want to do that. Damn it. Alright. Ow. Those stupid little explosions. Alright, here we go. Boom. Boom. Electro. Electro. Hopefully everyone had a good 4th of July weekend, or if you're not in the States. Hope you had a good, hope your week's going well. It was crazy here last night. Explosions going off everywhere. Just big bada booms setting off car alarms everywhere. It's crazy. For it being illegal to have those kind of fireworks here in California, it's amazing how many people get them. Look at this stuff. We're getting good stuff, but then the bottom, like, it has to get HP defense on it, man. Come on. We need some goodies here. We need the goodie bag. Where's the goodie bag? Hopefully everyone got that Primo code in there. If you didn't get it, there's I think I posted it yet last night. Try looking it up and get that code in. I was thinking that I'm gonna check that. I might roll. I gotta remember, is she? I might roll on for that two-handed sword, man. I don't know. Thinking about it. Physical damage sword. I love Uella. It'd be cool to get that. Alright. Let's see what we can get here. Alright, let's stagger this bitch. Stagger, stagger, stagger. There we go. He did. Not bad, under a minute. Breaking that shield down. Shielded characters suck. Here we go. I don't have Klee, but I don't really like her. I'm not really into the lolly. She's cute as hell, but I don't really want her. Damn it, nothing good. And oh, nice. Kind of sucks it's got that defense. Would have loved to have that energy recharge and something else. But it's a starter. 4 stat, can't beat it. If it hits all crits, or crit damage, we're lucky, lucky, lucky. So here's what I was doing. Let's check this out real quick. Uella's awesome. If you haven't gotten her, get her. Klee is fun, and she's cute as hell. So if you're into that, get her. All the 4-stars are pure shit. Never use Razor. I don't use this shield guy. I would never Like, I see sometimes people are using him. I guess he's decent, but I don't even have... I think all my artifacts on him are pure crap. So this is the Lost Prayer, and I already have a Sacred Winds, I think. So I'm kind of iffy if I want to roll. What's my history like? When's the last time I got a gold? Let's see. When's the last time we won anything good? How far back are we? So we got the Kagura's Verity 6 rolls ago, so we're 5 times 5 is 25. We are not really into it. We're gonna give it a free roll. Here we go. And no gold, no love. Let's see if we got anything good here. Ah, that tells you exactly right there what we're gonna get and why we're not gonna roll anymore. I think I'll do 2 more rolls because it looks like we got it early, unless we get another 4-star up here. If we don't, we're going to do 2 rolls. Oh, no. We got the alley flash. That's cool at the end. All right. So we're good. Do I even have it? I think I already have an alley flash. Rain Slasher is pure shit. It's a weapon that should not even be in the game. So that makes me sad. All right. Here we go. Oh, I didn't even hit. Damn it. That's on me. Blaze it. Damn it. Alright, he just blew himself up. Love it. Get them all. Stagger lock him. He did. Alright. Get that little energy ball right there. Yeah, so let's see. What do we get? We got an alley flasher. What's that? That's like a one-handed sword. So we need to let's see. Yeah, see, I already got an alley flasher here. I guess I'm gonna enhance this, I guess. Refine it. Take off that. Throw it in here. Eat it up. Increases damage dealt by the character equipping this weapon by 18%. Taking damage disables this effect. It's like, what am I going to use? This is a crappy, this is crap. I'd rather use like something like this. I love the little vortex. Healing Gale. Sadly, I have this weapon on her. I don't really know why. I need to get a better weapon on her. Need better weapons. Need to start getting some gold weapons. Like it sucked. I was rolling on the blue ball banner. Where you usually get your 5-star weapons. Oh, nope. And, ooh, potential. That's pretty good. It sucks. Elemental Master. I don't think it's... Does Elemental Master even matter? I don't think it matters on ice. But you never know. Well, you know. It tells you on the thing. But, yeah, just, try to get a Chi-Chi a good 5-star. Oh, yeah, that's what it was. I was on the blue ball banner. Yeah, instead of getting a freaking... I had gotten, like, a Jean or something like that. And then I was going to get, you know, I was finally going to get my weapon. So I was like, cool, I'm going to get a weapon. Yay, me. And then all of a sudden... the damn, I got another 5-star character. I got, like, Chi-Chi'd on our Dead or something. So that sucked. So I didn't even get my 5-star weapon that I usually get. Hopefully he's getting a stupid one-handed sword or something lame. I'll take a lame one sword. Oh my god, we're already done? Alright, here we go. Let's see what we got. Anything good? Goblet, Dendro, no crits at all, you son of a... And, ooh, decent piece. Well, let's get out of here and see what we can do. We really wanted a Sands out of this dungeon, and we did not get a Sands, sadly. Sands, I think, are the ones that we're hurting the most on. Who's our ice chick is Ayaka. Here's our Ayaka. Got the black sword on her. Talented, 989. Constellation, sadly, nothing. Oh, man, I'd love to get her up. I love Ayaka. This, I went for a full blizzard. Crit rate. Oh, am I on artifact mode? I was like, what the hell is this? 48, 200. So, damn, not too good. But let's check our artifacts. Like, see, this needs to be improved badly. It's got good energy recharge on her, but no crit. I need to get a crit damage, crit rate. Sands, bad. This goblet. Oh, wow, I don't even have a crit rate. Are you shitting me? Okay. Oh, that is horrible. No wonder I didn't switch to it. All right, let's check what we got. I think we got a good Blizzard Strayer piece, didn't we? No, we got a crit rate crown. Damn it. Oh, look at that. Yeah, so this one's got the crit rate on it, but 2.7. Didn't hit crit rate. Oh, god damn it. Crit rate once on this, and it was the low roll. What I hit on here? Defense all the time or something? I must have 1-1-1'd. Yeah. Shoot him. What's this one? Elemental Mastery. We don't need that. How's this look? This is crap. These ones aren't bad, but we don't really want them, I don't think, because they don't got, like, we want that energy recharge. That energy recharge is pretty good. I'm not sure if I want to switch them out because of that energy recharge, for that reason, for that energy recharge. But, here, I'll enhance this. Let's go with, we're gonna scroll down here and see what we got that I can throw in here. Yeah, let's throw this in there. Give me ×5. All right, that's an attack. So it's pure crap. Unhinged you. All right, so we're gonna go the ice set. I know we got a good ice set piece, didn't we? We got like a new. We got a goblet, not a goblet. Crit. How many crit helmets do we got over here? HP healing bonus. Crit rate. Ooh, that one's pure peepee. Crit damage, elemental mastery, HP. Alright, we're going to dump into this. We're going to play anything but HP or defense. If it hits that attack or if it hits that crit, we're going to keep going. If it doesn't, we're ending it. That's how we're doing it. Crit. Damn it. Alright, hit attack. So as long as that's happening, we'll keep on going. Just don't hit HP or defense, buddy. No HP. Especially defense. Don't you dare hit defense. Here we go. Give us the luck. Yes. So far, so good. Let me just hit it again. So we got 11.7. So that means we got a 5.8s, right? Ugh. What a horrible rolls for crit damage. It's pure shit. Pure shit. Damn it. Alright, well, we're already here. In for a penny, in for a pound, right? We're definitely in for a pounding, you know what I'm saying? Alright. Yeah, that was bad. My bad. I will say 10 Hail Marys for that one. Here we go. Damn it. Don't do this to me, man. Give me that crit. Give me a 7.8er. Something good. Alright, where's the... Oh. Here's the go. There we go. We're going to throw that piece of junk in there. Give me ×5. Nope. Alright, we're going to go. What are we going for? Defense. These defense beasts, that's elemental mastery. That's Dendro. That's crappy HP. Crappy. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I'll throw that defense piece in there. Yeah, not what I want. What's this one? Yeah, I'll throw you in there. I'll throw you in there too. Yeah, you can go. You're out of here. Get bent. Oh, you'll survive. You die. Yep, we're just trying to look for stupid stuff that has stats we do not want. Damn it! Oh, and it hit defense at the end. What a piece of son of a biscuits. No, not my biscuits. Alright, I don't even know if that's worth switching out for, man. It's not worth switching out for. Alright, so we're going to unmask that. Maybe one day we'll throw that into something else. Alright, thank you for watching. We'll be back after these messages. Hit that like and subscribe.